How do they expect you to make a vlog in weather like this? Ugh. Like, it just doesn't make any sense. It's been raining all day, every day for like the past 2 weeks, and it's making it really difficult to make any vlogs because it's raining really heavy, there's a lot of traffic, and it's flooding. I don't know what to do. Like, what should I make this video about? I've been thinking, wait, I have an idea. Papa! Okay guys, this is my dad. His name is Papa.
Jesse.
Wait, what?
My name is Jesse.
I always thought your name was Papa.
Well, you thought wrong. My name is Jesse.
Anyways, Pops, I don't know what to make for a vlog today. Have you seen how bad the weather is?
I'm making a solar oven. You want to vlog that?
I can. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Pops, how does this thing work? How does the oven work?
What we're doing is we are painting the base of the carton black so that it absorbs heat, and then we're going to have reflectors on the side of the oven. So like this. Okay, we can adjust the angle at which the rays of the sun will enter the box at this particular angle.
Oh, so the sun comes, bounces
The sun
into
will bounce
there, and then goes
onto
into
there.
there.
And the sun will bounce from here onto there.
Yeah.
The sun will bounce here onto there, and the sun will bounce there onto here.
So basically catching all the sun rays and going into the box.
And converging them to the container.
Smart.
Now the insides of the box will be lined with a heat insulator.
Oh yeah.
It could be cardboard, it could be newspaper, it could be styrofoam, so that maximum heat is retained in the box while the cooking process goes on. The top will have a glass lid that will be fully locked, it will be fully insulated, and then there will be a thermometer here which will then give us an update on what the temperature of the oven is at any given time.
Okay. Why are you using cardboard and not wood?
This is a prototype. If this works the way we think it should work, then we can obviously move on to wood to have a permanent kind of oven which you can move around. If you want to go out camping, you can take it out easily.
By the way, my dad comes up with that stuff because he's an outgoing camper guy.
Dude, yes, true.
Frozen by his wife. I'm trying to cut straight lines, but it just keeps breaking into weird. But it's okay. Good insulation. Now that's what we're talking about.
You like that?
Woo! That took a while to cut. Alright guys, so it's day 2 of the project that we started, and yesterday got a little bit hectic. Insulating the box with all that styrofoam took ages, and then we had to figure out how to make some weird cuts and angles of the whole thing. But so I made this black frame to put on top of the box. That is the box. It's been lined with aluminium foil now. Base has been blacked. What is up with my English sometimes? Okay, so the base has been made black, and that's the insulation on the side. So the good thing is the weather, it's pretty cloudy and we can see the sun, which is awesome, so we can get to test this thing hopefully if we finish today. So I'm hoping we do finish today, and we're going to try and make some soup. And should this thing work, it's going to be so cool. I'm just waiting for my dad. He went to get glass to actually put on top of the box, kind of keeps in the heat, and then we're going to assemble the whole thing and then try it out. So excited, so excited. What's that in your mouth? What's that in your mouth? Take it out. Oi, aye, there you go. There you go. Cute little doggy. I love you. Hi Zoe. Hi Zoe. If you guys haven't watched the video about Millie yet, check it out. It's here. It's awesome. It'll probably make you cry. It made me cry. Am I weird that I cry about my dog videos? Alright, so we got everything. Now we're just finishing the whole assembly, and then I'll show you guys the final product. So we're finally finished assembling the solar oven, and the assembly was so difficult. We had to use all this tape to get everything sorted, but it's done. Unfortunately, it's almost the end of the day, so we can't test out the solar oven, but we'll test it out hopefully tomorrow if there is sun. And I'll let you guys know in the next vlog if it worked or not. Hopefully it does. So if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up, hit the notification bell and subscribe so that you guys can know every time I release a video. And we will see you guys in the next video.